Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst, pun intended, into some groundbreaking news that's blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. A team of Italian scientists has unveiled what they're calling the world's first head transplant system. Now, this isn't some Hollywood movie where they just slap a new head on someone's shoulders. This system is far more complex and involves a procedure called spinal cord fusion. Basically, the team is proposing a way to connect the spinal cord of a severed head to a healthy donor body. Sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because it gets even more interesting. The Italian team, led by Dr. Sergio Canavero, has already successfully performed a head swap on lab rats. Here's the catch. The rats weren't exactly walking around afterwards. They were kept alive using a special machine that essentially functioned as a life support system. Dr. Canavero believes this is a stepping stone towards achieving the same feat in humans, potentially within the next 3 years. But hold on, there are a ton of hurdles to overcome before we see someone walking around with someone else's head. Ethical concerns are a massive issue. Who would be a willing donor? What about the psychological impact on the person receiving the transplant? And let's not forget the enormous technical challenges. Reconnecting the spinal cord in a way that allows full function is a huge feat, and the possibility of rejection is significant. The medical community is divided on this. Some believe Dr. Canavero's work is a significant breakthrough, while others are highly skeptical. Many experts believe achieving a successful head transplant in humans is still a long way off, if even possible. So, is this the dawn of a new era in medicine, or just a sensationalized science experiment? The truth is, we don't know yet. Only time and further research will tell. But one thing's for sure, this news has sparked a global conversation about the future of medicine and the ethical boundaries of science. What do you guys think? Is a head transplant something we should even be pursuing? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a discussion going. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content.